Kimberly, darling, that's beef tenderloin. How am I gonna serve that at a stand-up cocktail party? 2 words for ya. Lettuce wraps. Wow, how cool is that? What skill? Ow. Capers, parsley, Dijon, lemon, and chives. These are all classic Carpaccio garnishes, but so messy when you're standing up with a glass in your hand. Observe. Mascarpone. My Italian side wants to say it like that. It's unctuous dessert cream cheese. Luscious stuff. That's some really good stuff. Okay, here comes the fun part. Are you ready? Make sure that there's space between them because they're gonna spread out in the oven. Now, you gotta let them cool a little bit, not a lot of it, because you gotta wrap it around this. Check it out. Whoop. Oh yeah. Boom. Woo! Woo! Big chunks of crunchy sea salt. Okay, now I gotta put this in these. Now this is a new way to bring in the new year. And you can eat it standing up, darling.